Hello and welcome to our third onboarding session. Today, we'll explore the navigation settings that will help you effortlessly maneuver through your space. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about rotating the camera view. It's simple and intuitive. To rotate your view, either click the left mouse button or press and hold the touchpad. Move your mouse or slide your finger around to get the perfect angle. Easy, right? Now, let's talk about moving the camera around your scene. This is great for exploring different perspectives. Hold the right mouse button and drag your mouse, or use two fingers on the touchpad and drag to effortlessly translate the camera. For a more dynamic view, you can roll the scene to the left or right. It adds that extra touch of creativity. Hold down the Control key and left mouse button, or use Control plus click and drag on the touchpad to roll the scene left or right. This allows you to view your project from unique angles. Zooming is crucial for examining details or getting a broader overview. Let's see how it's done. In the desktop version, you can simply scroll the wheel to zoom in and out. For touchpad users, place two fingers on the touchpad and pinch in to zoom out or stretch out to zoom in. It's all about finding the right balance. In the web version, place two fingers on the touchpad and move them up to zoom out or down to zoom in. It's a slight variation but just as intuitive. And there you have it, the navigation settings. If you have any questions, check our help section or reach out to our support team at support@meshinspector.com. See you in the next videos.